What you are about to witness is a resurrection. A story of how a forgotten soul is brought back from the brink. This isn't just a car. It's a time capsule, holding a secret history. Its journey from a dusty relic to a gleaming masterpiece begins. Now, in the hands of dedicated artisans, the transformation is initiated. The first look under the hood reveals the immense challenge that lies ahead. Decades of neglect are etched into every part, a daunting puzzle for the masters. With practiced hands, the careful process of disassembly begins. A deeper inspection uncovers hidden issues, testing their skill and resolve. Every layer of rust and grime tells a story of its long-forgotten past, documenting each step. A visual diary of an incredible automotive rebirth. The body bears the scars of time, each one a testament to its history. Wheels that have not turned in years, waiting for a chance to grace the road again. The interior, a time capsule of decay, its former luxury now shrouded in dust, unearthing original parts like treasures from a bygone era. Fragments of the past are scattered with whispering tales of journeys taken long ago. The workshop becomes a sanctuary where history is painstakingly restored. The delicate work of revival demands both passion and precision. Slowly, the car sheds its weathered skin, preparing for a new beginning. The project's true scope becomes clear, a monumental task of revival. Inside the trunk, forgotten relics surface, each object a piece of the car's hidden life, personal belongings, lost to time, offer a glimpse into its mysterious past. Among the clutter, a vintage sewing machine, an unexpected and curious discovery. The owner surveys the contents, piecing together the story of the car he saved. The classic silhouette stands expectantly, its faded glory awaiting restoration. In the vast workshop, the old Mercedes seems small against the monumental task ahead. Now, the heart of the machine is exposed. The intricate engine work begins. A master and his apprentice work in unison, their shared focus on the complex mechanics. The engine, laid bare, reveals the complex engineering of a classic era. Carefully, the front end is dismantled, every piece handled with respect. The bumper is removed, unveiling more of the work needed to restore its face. The teardown continues, a meticulous process of deconstruction before the rebirth. Each component is detached with surgical precision, cataloged for the rebuild to come. The team pauses, studying the engine's layout, planning their next strategic move. Another layer is peeled back, delving deeper into the mechanical core. The process reverses as the first restored components are reinstalled. Fine adjustments and tuning ensure every part works in harmony. The engine slowly comes back together, a testament to their unwavering dedication. Once a relic of decay, the engine now shows signs of its former power. A final, thorough inspection before the momentous first start. A critical challenge emerges from deep within the engine's core. The two mechanics tackle the problem head-on, their determination unwavering. Their collaboration is seamless, a dance of experience and shared purpose. A stubborn, rusted part refuses to yield without a fight. It takes their combined strength and ingenuity to overcome this mechanical obstacle. With the problem solved, they reassess, their focus as sharp as ever. Attention to the smallest details is what separates restoration from repair. The work is grueling, a true labor of love, demanding both physical and mental fortitude. Another component is carefully removed, part of the intricate mechanical ballet. A newly refurbished part is installed, a piece of the future meeting the past. They step back to admire their progress. The engine slowly being reborn. Each movement is precise, each decision critical. As they navigate the complex machinery, their synergy is palpable, a silent understanding between two masters of their craft. The meticulous process continues, leaving no bolt unturned, no part uninspected. Another piece slots perfectly into place, bringing the engine closer to completion. Their expressions reveal intense concentration, fully immersed in the transformative work. This is where true craftsmanship shines, in the patient. Deliberate restoration of details. Installing a larger assembly requires perfect coordination and immense care. The vision is becoming a reality. The engine bay slowly filling with restored parts. The delicate work on the timing chain, a critical step for the engine's health. One final push to complete the assembly, their dedication paying off. The focus is now on the timing system, a crucial element for the engine's rhythm. A headlamp illuminates the intricate details, ensuring absolute precision in the dark corners. Grease-stained hands work in perfect sync, guiding the timing chain into its rightful place. This delicate operation requires a surgeon's touch and an engineer's mind. The camshaft is carefully aligned, a moment of intense mechanical focus. Every element is inspected and perfected. As the heart of the car is reassembled, he works with a quiet intensity, his passion for perfection evident in every move. Modern technology meets classic engineering as diagnostic tools. Check the work, the readings confirm their precision, a digital seal of approval on their craftsmanship, a final manual check. Trusting the feel and experience built over many years. Together, they maneuver a heavy component into the increasingly complete engine bay. The timing chain assembly is finalized, a symphony of sprockets and links. The final tensioning of the chain, a moment that defines the engine's future performance. With the core mechanics in place, the focus shifts to the ancillary systems. Their coordinated effort makes even the most complex tasks look effortless. He is lost in the work, a state of flow where man and machine become one. The final pieces of the engine puzzle are carefully fitted together. One last look, ensuring every connection is secure, every component perfectly seated. Attention now turns to the front assembly, bringing the car's face back to life. The final adjustments are made, the culmination of countless hours of work. A hand, guided by faith and skill, works to restore the magnificent machine. The mechanic's posture speaks of dedication, immersing himself completely in the restoration. Experience is passed down as the master guides the apprentice through a critical step. This is more than a repair. It's a lesson in history, mechanics, and art. Their shared goal unites them, breathing life back into the dormant steel. Another bolt is tightened, on another step closer to hearing the engine roar again. The mentorship continues, ensuring the craft of classic car restoration endures. Now working solo, the apprentice applies the lessons learned with newfound confidence. A moment of discussion, a strategic pause to ensure the next phase is flawless. His focus is absolute, handling a small, delicate part with the utmost care. Back together, they tackle another complex part of the reassembly. Their movements are a testament to teamwork, efficient and perfectly synchronized. The engine bay is almost complete, a stunning sight of renewed machinery. He stands back, a brief moment to appreciate the transformation taking shape. The final push requires all their attention, leaving no room for error. The complexity of the task is immense, yet they navigate it with expert ease. This is the culmination of their shared vision to see this classic beauty run again. The workshop buzzes with a quiet energy. The anticipation of completion building a look of satisfaction hints that a major milestone in the restoration is complete. Piece by piece, the heart of the machine is methodically and artfully reborn, working on the intake system, preparing the engine to breathe again. The engine, once a tapestry of rust, is now a showcase of restored metal. The transmission components are carefully reassembled, a crucial part of the drivetrain. Even the smallest pieces are given the same level of meticulous care. The car's black paint gleams under the workshop lights, hinting at its final form. The density of the machinery is astonishing. A marvel of mid-century engineering, a cleaning spray removes the last traces of grime, preparing a part for installation. An observer watches on, captivated by the intricate and dedicated restoration work. A moment of intense discussion as the two mechanics troubleshoot a complex issue. They examine a component closely, their combined experience finding a solution. With the problem solved, the reassembly resumes its steady, methodical pace. Every check and double check ensures the final result will be nothing short of perfect. The work is a marathon, not a sprint, fueled by a deep passion for the craft. The engine bay is nearly full now. A stunning transformation from its initial state. They work in the final stages of the engine rebuild, the excitement building. Each part added brings the engine closer to its first breath in years. The complexity is managed with a calm, focused approach, honed by experience. The final connections are being made, linking the restored components into a single unit. A sense of accomplishment begins to fill the air as the monumental task nears its end. The final, delicate adjustments are performed, a finishing touch on mechanical masterpiece. Through a dusty windshield, the world outside is blurred. A metaphor for the car's long slumber. Work continues on the revitalized engine, fine-tuning it for optimal performance. The master mechanic explains the nuances of the restoration, sharing his deep knowledge. The hands of two generations work together, a fusion of youth and experience. The car is raised, allowing for work on the undercarriage and suspension. A close-up view reveals the sheer complexity of this classic automobile's engineering. Their teamwork is essential, ensuring every aspect of the car is restored to perfection. The workshop is a theater of restoration, with the Mercedes as the star of the show. The engine, once a symbol of decay, is now the heart of the car's second life. The entire team is invested, their collective effort pouring into this single, beautiful machine. The reassembly process is a slow, deliberate dance of parts, tools, and skilled hands. The gleaming chrome and clean metal stand in stark contrast to its dusty, forgotten state. With every piece reinstalled, the car's original personality begins to re-emerge. It stands proudly in the workshop, a monument to the art of restoration. The engine is a marvel, a fusion of classic design and renewed performance. The final stages of the mechanical rebuild are completed with intense focus. Soon, this classic will leave the workshop not as a project, but as a masterpiece. A last look at the pristine engine, now ready to power the car into its new future. The transformation is nearly complete, the result of unwavering passion and skill. The final components are meticulously put into place. The moment of truth is near. The engine is whole again. A powerful heart ready to beat for the first time in years. Final instructions are given, ensuring the first startup procedure is perfect. The old engine block still bears the marks of its age. of a reminder of its incredible journey. The team discusses the final checks. The anticipation in the air is electric. Their synchronized work continues. A fluid dance of mechanical expertise. The first canister of fresh gasoline arrives, fuel for the car's imminent awakening. He points out a key feature of the restored engine, a detail showcasing their meticulous work. Every part has been cleaned, restored, or replaced to bring it back to factory spec. The lead mechanic addresses the camera, sharing the story of this astonishing project. Inside, the interior has also been transformed. Its classic luxury renewed. The car stands complete. A vision in black, its restoration, a resounding success. Behind the wheel, the moment of truth. The test drive begins. A proud moment, seeing the finished product gleaming under the lights. He savors the feeling of the restored interior, a perfect blend of history and craftsmanship. On the road, the car performs flawlessly, a smooth and powerful ride. A final look of pride at the reborn classic, a testament to the team's incredible skill. The feeling behind the wheel is a reward for the countless hours of dedicated labor. Leaving the workshop for the open road, the car begins. Its new chapter, it drives like a dream, a vintage soul with a powerfully restored heart. The iconic grille shines, a symbol of automotive excellence, reborn. The first stop is a celebratory wash, cleansing away the last remnants of the workshop. Thick foam covers the pristine black paint, a baptism for the reborn vehicle. Every curve is carefully cleaned, highlighting the car's timeless design, gleaming and spotless. It looks as if it just rolled off the assembly line, but the work isn't over. The focus now turns to cosmetic perfection. He points out a tiny, persistent spot of rust, an imperfection that cannot be ignored. This final stage of detailing requires a jeweler's eye and a steady hand. Back in the workshop, the car awaits its final beautification. The chrome is polished to a mirror finish, reflecting the dedication poured into it. Every metallic surface is brought to an immaculate, brilliant shine. The final buffing process ensures a flawless, show-quality finish on the paintwork. New tires are fitted, completing the car's foundation for its journey ahead. And now, the final reward, driving into the sunset in a resurrected piece of automotive art. The vintage dashboard glows, every gauge and switch functioning as it did decades ago. The car glides through the quiet evening roads, its presence both elegant and powerful.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restored Hope for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.